animal friend. The bird that crows when the sun comes up is called a rooster. This dog keeps the home safe with a loud bark. Some birds can take a note. They will bring it to you on a scroll. A bird makes a fun pet. It can sing and talk. What a cute nest this bird has made. It is made of sticks and leaves. The worm digs up the soil and makes it easier for the plant's roots to grow. A camel has a wide foot. That makes it good for riding in the sand. Bees help plants to make more seeds. And we get yummy honey too.